Hey guys, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the Breadcrumbs block to create better page navigation in WordPress. Breadcrumbs is a suitable navigational tool for guiding the user from the home page to the current page. This offers additional user experience and SEO improvements, and the Breadcrumbs block by Zoloblocks is the perfect one. Why? You are about to find out. In your landing page, you can drop the Breadcrumbs block to your page from the Quick Block menu. By default, Breadcrumbs shows the current page navigation in plain text and arrows. To customize its appearance, you can do that from the block settings. Here, under the Basic tab, you will find several options. The Home button allows you to toggle the home navigation on the Breadcrumbs. You can turn it off if not needed. When turned on, you can also change the name and also add a custom icon to the home page. Then again, you can keep on the link trail up to the current page or the parent page before the current page. Also, you can toggle and customize the separator icon for the Breadcrumbs. Not to mention, you can change the content alignment for this as well. Now, if you want to customize the appearance of the breadcrumb content, the Style tab will come in handy. Here, you can customize the text color option, as well as the font style through typography. Typography is a combination of font customizations such as font family, size, weight, spacing, decoration, etc. So take your time to make the font awesome. There's also a spacing option that you can use to space the breadcrumbs. Also, you can customize the background color, padding, border, shadow, border radius, etc. The block settings also offer hover color options, so you can create hover effects easily. Now, similar options can also be found for the home link, so you can play with the color, typography, border, and shadows. Additionally, you can customize the home icon through color, size, and spacing. There are also hover settings available for the home link. And for the current item or link, you can have similar options as the home link, except there's no icon. And for the separator between the links, there's a section full of options to customize it. So you can change the separator color and size, as well as other things like border, padding, margin, etc. And you can set up colors for hover as well. Simple and easy options to create dynamic breadcrumbs. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Zoloblocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.